Of course, me call mommy. And when me call him, he always argue.
You never call me one.
You left your day.
Hey guys, welcome back. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Oh God.
Anyways, welcome back and welcome if you are new. Welcome prank. Mommy, and tell her say, I could not feel me yard. Oh yeah. So I could not get yard. Don't mind the poor video quality because we not use my phone. So, stay tuned and get a reaction.
You know, let's see. Do it without light. Do it without light.
Turn it down.
Do it without light.
Turn it down.
You never have video, so you just start video. Wait, you let one lock up on the phone. Come look at the
Hey, then I come back here. What you mean on my business? You left me off your business?
Hey, what does she
You
say?
make joke.
What does she say? Never mind. Oh, I'm going to do it.
Daddy, nagdang nga ramay. Yes? Friday niya akong bag. Friday.
The next thing Friday.
No. No, this Friday.
I know this is the LS, I do call the one and the one that's away.
Who?
Don't know, you don't call him.
Of course, me call mommy. And when me call him, he always argue.
You never call me one.
You left your day, I don't know.
Then every time me call her, you argue.
Tina, you never call. You never call and that's good. One that's a plan going on, but you go so far. And you left how much is there. You never call him one, that's a disrespect. Because of straight. One that's a plan going on. You must be one sick. I know they're ready. And they are in there. And if you live on Wednesday, till Wednesday pass, till the other weekend come. That's cynical. That's not good. But me that's a plan going on. I ain't going to do it. You show respect. And I myself? Huh?
No.
You see it go like.
Anyways.
You see it go like. I'm telling you something. So look at me say almost 2 percent you call the man at the January, alright? That's for sure thing.
I do what me I make, I do what. I do what me I make.
When I joke, I see you.
A prank, Tina, prank.
I put a prank with you.
A prank, Tina, prank.
Brother, listen, nobody can stop my mouth.
You just get fed up of the What is all okay about? When you put black and pepper.